formula. First, you must have your equal sign, followed by the instruction itself. And right after the instruction, we have the parenthesis. Whatever that we have within this parenthesis, okay, from the start until the end, we call it syntax. Syntax. And within your syntax, we have the argument. So this is what we call argument. This is what we call argument. Table array, column index number, range lookup. So this is what we call argument. Okay. Just like when, okay, the analogy that I always use to describe this argument is, let's say you want to cook a fried rice. Okay, you want to cook a fried rice. In order for you to cook your fried rice, what type of ingredients that you need? You must have your rice, right? You must have your plain rice. You must have your cooking oil. You must have your salt. You must have your onion, chicken, prawn, whatever ingredient that you need to get your fried rice. So just like when you want to cook something, the formula just like that. Okay. In order for you to get your answer based on VLOOKUP, this is the ingredient that you need to have. You need to provide to Excel in order for Excel to come out with the answer. So all this thing is called argument. Argument. Okay. Some of the formula, we got 4 arguments, just like VLOOKUP. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arguments. Right? Some of the formula have more than 4. Let's say sometimes we have up to 30 arguments. A formula called SUMIF, for example, SUMIF, we have 30 arguments. Some of the formula only got a single argument. Single argument. Single argument. For example, when we talk about a formula called upper to convert your text into capital letters. Okay, for example, here, let's say I'm going to convert this data into capital letters, right? I just put equal upper. Open my parenthesis, see how many arguments? I got a single argument only. So when I click the argument, close, enter, they will turn it into capital letters. Okay. And some of the argument without any, some of the formula without any argument at all. Yeah. So it's varied. That means different formula, we have different numbers of arguments. Some will have 4, some will have 10, some will have 2. Sometimes we have a single argument. Sometimes we don't have any argument at all. For example, let's say you want to find out the time right now and the current date. The day, the current date and the time right now, right? So you can use this formula called equal now. So when you type equal now, you open the parenthesis, there is no argument that you need to provide to Excel. So because we don't have any what we call argument, so you don't need to provide any argument. You just close your parenthesis. When you press enter, then Excel will give you the current date and the time right now. And this is one of the sample. Yeah. So just remember that. Inside your what we call syntax, we got a few arguments. That means the information that we need to provide to Excel in order for you to get the answer. And every single argument within our syntax here will be separated by a comma. This one, this comma here. This is what we call separator. Separator. Okay. So this is the structure of your formulas.